That's Silken Chocolate Mousse. 1 carb per serving. It's so delicious, company worthy. You have to try it. Trust me. Today I'm making Silken Chocolate Mousse. I'm using tofu, and you're going, oh, I don't want tofu, but this is non-GMO, and this is company worthy. You have to try it. This is one of those recipes where you go, you know what, just trust him. He knows what he's talking about. This sugar-free mousse has 16 carbs in the whole recipe, 530 grams of silken tofu. I put a plate on top and I weighted it down to get rid of all the moisture. And you can see all the liquid in there. I'm going to put this into I'm going to do it in a blender today. There we go. The exact recipe for this is below in the comments. And I've got half a cup of pure 100% cocoa. There we go. A quarter cup of sweet coconut oil. 2 tablespoons of real vanilla. Powdered erythritol. You can adjust for sweetness, but I think that this is probably about right, the amount that I'm putting in here. That's a quarter cup, and a little bit of the liquid stevia, just like a quarter teaspoon. You can barely even see it, just like a few drops really. And I'll whiz that up. I like that. Everything's all well incorporated. I'll just pour it into this. Nice and creamy. I don't want to take too much out. Save that for Jennifer. There you go, there's Silken Chocolate Mousse. I'll serve that with a little bit of whipped cream and maybe a strawberry or two. Doesn't that look good? You have to try it. It's company worthy for sure. Thanks for watching.